So, so, so we will today open a hard drive. This is a broken hard drive. So we're open this one screw. It has six screws, one over here, and one over here, and one over here, and one over here, and one over here. So we're opening just one screw. All the other screws are over here. Okay. So we will open this. So I got out the head. It's supposed to be here, but this was not going. So basically, there's just basic parts of a hard drive. So this is this is a broken hard drive. So please do not try this with the working hard drive. If you have a hard drive at home, please do not work with it. So there's just a hard drive. This is something that spins around. So let's open this. So let's open this. Okay. Let's keep it over here. And there's a cap that gets off. This is a cap. This is a cap of this hard drive. It's from here. So we should take this off. And this is a filterer. Oops. This is a filterer that filters the air that goes inside this, because it stores things by a metal disc on some that something is put on this that's magnetic. So on this one there is only two of these. Okay, there's only two of these. And usually it comes with three, but in this video we're working with 2 in 1. So this is a broken hard drive. Let me make you remember again. This is a broken hard drive, and I got out the filterer of this. You see that? Yeah, that's a filterer. So just clear it has to be. These two are the disc of them. This is the ring that separates them. Otherwise, you'll get a scary squeaking sound. So this has to be put in here for this to rest. So there's a circuit beneath this that goes till here, and then it goes from this. Where's the screwdriver? From this wire to the head. This is like a beneath circuit, and there's like this kind of wire that goes to here, and this is powered by a powerful motor. These are neodymium magnets. You can see my screwdriver is just sticking there. See, neodymium magnets. And this is a 5 volt, so there's a copper coil around here. Copper coil. You can see that orange, gold thing is a copper coil. So it reflects around like this. And this is the motor that turns these two things. So do you want me to show how did these work? Where are the filter? Okay. Okay, I will show. Put this one over here and this over here. Remember, again, I'm going to say these are broken hard drives. Please do not try this with a fixed hard drive. Okay, let me put this back. Papa! Papa? अच्छा हाँ इसका तो screw तो ये है. So I'm starting to drive this. So this is the cable. This is a power bank. So this is how it's working. This is right now spinning. So now, right now, I have to disconnect this and connect this again. Watch very, very carefully. See, it's spinning very fast. It's spinning very fast. Watch again. I'll make you watch 4 times. See carefully. Four more times. After this, one more time. This is the last time I'm showing you.
Hello.
So, we are done with the video. Not yet. So this goes like this. This will spin very fast. So fast. Very, 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 very fast. From this, there's like tiny, tiny things over here that fly. You could watch it in Lessix how hard drive works, or Branch Out Educations. They're great videos, so I'm just ending the video here. Goodbye. So the filter filtered the air that's coming from here. Now goodbye.